Hey there, welcome to my channel. What do I do here? Well, before I can answer that, let me ask you this. Can you describe in just 3 words what food is? You probably came up with words such as delicious, yummy, satisfying, mediocre, necessary. While these are all true, my goal here is to show you that there's more than what you just see when a plate of food appears before you. The journey and thrill of cooking up a recipe and it turns out perfectly. The humbling learning experience when it all goes wrong. Even beyond that is to look at it scientifically, discussing common myths and misconceptions in the kitchen, breaking down the cooking process to a molecular level to help improve flavor. This is all possible here on this channel. Now, that doesn't mean that all the content here will be serious and educational. One thing you must know about me is I'm an avid gamer and a huge anime fan. In these fictional worlds, there are a vast variety of dishes and flavors. It's a challenge to bring these to the real world, and while the journey may be bumpy at times, the results make it worth the effort. I hope you join me and come along as we delve into this wonderful world. It's gonna be an exciting time.